You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including from Arabic and Muslim, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You can listen to and learn from at the end of this video. 2 different pronunciations in English. Harem. Harem or harem. For reference, the Arabic pronunciation is as harem. I mean, there could be different pronunciations depending on the local accent, but that's generally the pronunciation. In English, harem, or the more American English, harem. That's more US pronunciation, harem or harem. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.